Marilla from Binary Option Sheriff. Thank you very much for joining me for this review today. And in today's review, we will not be trading live, nor are we going to be discussing Forex or binary options trading, because we are going to be looking at an investment opportunity, particularly for our United States subscribers. If you are looking towards a future and if you are looking towards the possibility of having a sound IRA, then it is very important that you know that wherever it is you're going to be investing your money for your eventual pension fund is going to be a company that can be trusted. So today we're going to do a review on Regal Assets. Regal Assets is one of the IRA investment funds, and their underlying asset is, in this particular case, gold. First of all, we need to evaluate whether gold is the best investment you can make for your retirement plan. Some weeks ago, we had quite a lot of posts and reviews where we discussed gold and how good or how bad it is to invest with gold. Let's put it this way. Gold has in the past 10 years almost more than tripled the price. As you can see, the starting price in 2008 was at $600. It shot up all the way to almost $2,000 per ounce and is now standing at around 1,000 and just over 1,000. So we have between 2008 and 2017, we have more than double the value of the price in gold. And if you had invested in gold way back when there was the crash in 2008, you would be comfortably looking at least double in terms of your portfolio. What is definitely sure is that whenever everything else fails, gold is always a very good asset to hold. It might not perform phenomenally well on a day-to-day basis, but whenever there is inflation and whenever there is any threat to any currency, it is gold as well as other minerals such as platinum and silver that keeps the value and the validity of any currency stable. So there is no question that when you are investing in long-term planning, not day-to-day planning, but in long-term planning, as in your IRA, then having an underlying fund which invests in gold is definitely a good way to look at your future security. However, we are going to now discuss, and I have a full review. You have the link for my full review at the bottom of this YouTube review, and we are going to be talking about Regal Assets. Now, Regal Assets are possibly one of the most impeccable and clean and best investment funds that you can be looking at for your IRA. They have been featured in Smart Money, Forbes, INC, MarketWatch, Bloomberg. All the icons you see are clickable. You will see the reports, but best of all, these are a company where if you look at any forums, they have zero complaints in the past 4 years. That is really a very good barometer by which to check whether this company is trustworthy or not. In fact, we have quite a lot of reviews here where we have trust link profiles for Regal Assets. We have customer complaints summary. Have a look at them. We have zero complaints summary since 2013. This is where you know that this company is really a AAA rating business consumer alliance where no complaints has been brought about them. So how does the system work? First of all, this company offers different types of portfolios. So depending at what point and stage in your life you're in, you can opt for different kinds of packages in order to secure your future and that of your own children by having a good retirement plan. Personal package number 1 is where you need to have a minimum of investment of $5,000. This is your starting point, and this is money that you are looking at investing now for benefit in the future. Second is the knighthood package, which has a minimum investment of $10,000 and which will extend covers to the families as well. We go into higher portfolios like the legacy portfolio, which has a starting investment of 25,000, whereas the kinship and the dynasty portfolio are for the bigger boys who want to invest heavily and who want to see a huger return on their investment when it comes to their portfolio in terms of retirement plans and IRAs. A little bit about the founder of the company. The current CEO is Tyler Gallagher, who is actually the person who has created this fund. And one important thing that I need to tell you about this fund is that they offer to send you right away in your inbox, without any pressure, your gold kit information criteria package. So all you have to do, these are not people who are going to put any pressure on you for investment. They are people who will give you as much information as possible where your investment is going to go. They are not the custodians of the gold. They actually pay banks. The money, the actual gold bullion, is parked in banks, and they are making sure that it is administered properly according to your partial investment. And here is quite a lot of feedback on TrustLink, on people who have used the Regal Assets platform in order to invest in their future, their 401k with Regal Assets account. So I would like to invite you to have a look at my full written review, and I also will leave you a link to TrustLink and also to Regal Assets, where you can meet the actual people who will explain how Regal Assets work, how the gold that you will buy will be placed for future safeguard for your IRA. And also, I would like to make this very clear that you should be reading even all my disclaimers at the bottom, because this is extremely important, that you know where to stand, that we could be receiving affiliate marketing profits from advertising Regal Assets. However, I have to say that I truly believe that this is one of the best opportunities you could be having for your future, and it is one of the safest company to do it with. Thank you very much. I hope that you found this informative. Please don't hesitate to leave a message in the link box below if you have any questions, and we can direct you directly with Regal Assets. Thank you. Catch you later.